Welcome back, everyone. Today, we're diving into a powerful tool that can really maximize how you connect with your Telegram subscribers, broadcasting messages using Botsai. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll feel totally confident sending targeted updates, promos, or alerts to the exact audience you want, quickly, effectively, and without worrying about Telegram's 24-hour messaging rule. Alright, let's get straight into it. The process starts on your Botsai dashboard, which is home base for your bot management. To begin broadcasting, look for the Message Broadcast section. Once you're there, go ahead and click the Create button. This is like opening a blank canvas, the beginning of your targeted campaign. If you ever feel a little lost, remember every great broadcast starts right here. When you click Create, Botsai takes you straight to the Visual Flow Builder. Think of this area as your control panel. It's where you'll actually design how the broadcast works. The Flow Builder lets you lay out the steps visually so you can see exactly what your subscribers will experience. If you're new to visual builders, don't stress. It's a lot like dragging and arranging sticky notes on a whiteboard, just more powerful. Now you'll want to name your campaign. This is your chance to be clear and intentional. Give it something descriptive like flash sale promo or weekly newsletter June 10. Naming isn't just for keeping things tidy, it helps you stay organized if you run more than one campaign at a time. Down the line, when you're searching through old broadcasts, a good name will save you time and headaches. Next up, the crucial step, segmenting your audience. This is what turns a basic broadcast into a laser-targeted update. You don't want to shout out sales to folks who already bought, right? So Botsai lets you use labels. There are two main ways to approach this: include labels and exclude labels. Let's say you want to reach people who signed up through a special short link during a contest. That's when you'd select the short link label and include labels. Only users who fit that label will get your message. On the other hand, maybe you're announcing a new feature, but you want to skip those who already purchased your premium plan. Set their label and exclude labels, and those users are quietly left out. Labels, in a way, are like sorting mail into the right boxes, so every subscriber gets info that's perfect for them. With your audience set, it's time to design your actual message. Inside the Flow Builder, you'll configure the action button to become a broadcast, then add your content. Take a moment here to think about what will engage your subscribers. Catchy text, a neat image, a promo code, or maybe a visual that stands out in a sea of chats. You can stack content, images, text, even interactive buttons within the flow, making your broadcast lively and attractive. Don't worry if it takes a few tries to get it just right. Botsai gives you room to tweak and preview. Once you're happy with how your broadcast looks and who it targets, you're ready for the final moment, launching. Hit save, then send. Your message now goes out to segmented subscribers, landing directly in their Telegram chats. No waiting, no restrictions. Botsai's design lets you bypass the standard Telegram limitations, so your news arrives exactly when it's relevant. That's it, an efficient, flexible way to keep your audience engaged. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or need help with a particular step. Don't forget to subscribe for more in-depth tutorials. Your support means a lot, and it helps me keep making these guides for you. Until next time, happy broadcasting.